Look at how many there are. Jesus.
This is all honey here.
Wow.
The yellow stuff you see there is pollen. You can see all the combs were attached to the bottom of the floor.
Wow. Are they really confused right now from the smoke?
Yeah, and the fact that I just tore their hive apart. The only thing that's really keeping them in place is that I haven't started moving the comb yet.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
That's alright.
It's either breathing hazard or stinging hazard.
Yeah. I think I'd like the breathing hazard better. Wow. That is amazing.
I'm just showing the different cell size on the comb. This example here on the top is a drone. It's a larger diameter than the example here on the bottom, which is worker bee. And if you look at this comb, it transitions into worker comb right on the end.
So what do the drones do? And
The drones would be the male bees. They're the ones that mate with the virgin queens.
Wow, look at this.
These are queen cells here on the bottom.
Wow.
That's what they construct to create queens. And they come from a worker bee egg, which is a fertilized egg, that's less than 3 days old. If the egg is allowed to gestate longer than 3 days, they cannot create a queen from that egg.
Wow.
What is that right there? That's just a fly.
Yeah.
It smells so good. Doesn't it smell amazing?
Why do you smell the smoke?
I smell the wax. The beeswax. It smells amazing.
And the reason for the color difference,
Yeah.
the virgin wax, the first generation wax, comes out almost white. And as they raise each successive generation of brood, the larva imparts a cocoon against the inside wall of the cell, so the comb becomes darker and darker with age. Layers into the cells.
That's supposed to be so good for you. Like good for
Allergies.
allergies, yeah.
Here, you can keep that one. This one you want to put in the freezer, because you got to kill the brood, otherwise they'll start hatching out of here.
Is there any honey in there?
No, I just wanted to show you what brood looks like.
So these are the male bees cells, and these are the female bees?
That's correct.
Oh, there goes one. It
Yeah,
just
she was-
hatched, right?
No, she was in there eating
Oh,
honey.
she was in there.
Eating honey or cleaning the cell out. If you look,
So,
let me get the sunlight on it.
wow. Yeah, you should film that.
See the grubs down in there? Here's a bee emerging right here. She's hatching out. They completely covered it with propolis and wax. And I don't know if these beetles crawled in there looking for honey or whatever.
Got stuck?
They well, a skunk might have dragged them in there too. That may be skunk food. Skunks eat those guys.
Wow.
I think the skunk made the
Is that
cavity and then
pollen?
the
Is
bees
that,
moved into the... Yeah, those are pieces of pollen that fell.
So they're good, right? To eat?
Yeah. Pry them out of there.
There, you want one?